One fresh morning in Furfuri Nagar, Motu and Patlu were walking slowly through the quiet streets. The sun was rising and the town was just starting to wake up. Suddenly, a wonderful sweet smell came through the air. Inside the shop, they saw something amazing. A giant laddu was sitting on the counter. It was round, golden, and shining brightly like it was made of magic. Motu looked at the laddu with excitement. But suddenly something strange happened. The giant laddu began to move. The laddu rolled off the counter and rushed out of the shop. Motu and Patlu quickly ran after it. The magical laddu rolled through the street and bounced across the road until it reached a big tree. Then, in a funny way, the laddu rolled up the tree and stopped on a high branch. Motu and Patlu stood under the tree, thinking about what to do. Then Patlu got a clever idea. They found a large cloth and held it tightly under the tree like a big net. Patlu gently shook the tree. The giant laddu slowly slipped from the branch and fell down. The laddu landed safely in the cloth, and Motu and Patlu finally caught it. After that, they happily shared the giant laddu with all the children nearby. Everyone enjoyed the sweet treat together. Moral: when people work together, every problem can be solved.